Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to disallow the right click and also selecting text on your website in Hostinger Website Builder. First, you need to go to Websites Elements or Website Settings, then click on Integrations, then copy this piece of text. You will find it in this video description and click on Save. And don't forget to update your website. Let's see my website live. As you can see, I can't select this text on my website. Let's check a blog post. I am clicking on this blog post title. I can't select it. Same thing with the right click of the mouse. And this is a way to secure your content on Hostinger Website Builder. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have 2 free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger Website Builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.